Welcome students, come back to your classes. So new year we will start the time chapter, and lastly also I have explained you about the time. You know how to see the time, and you also know how to convert days to week, years to month, month to year, and days to year. So today you will know about what? About the addition of time. Okay, today what you will know about the addition of time. So in this, what you are seeing, that student, in this question it is given addition of time at 5 hour 30 minute 42 second and 7 hour 53 minute 25 second. Okay, so what you have to do in this, you have to add this whole thing. So you are knowing that 1 hour equal to how many? 1 hour equal to how many minutes? 60 minutes. 60 minutes, yes. 1 hour equal to, you are knowing this thing. Before also you have learned 1 hour equal to 60 minutes and 1 minute equal to 60 second. Yes, 1 hour equal to 60 minutes and 1 minute equal to 60 second. That means in hour, there when you will add answer, if it is more than 60, then what you have to do, you have to say this in addition. In minute it is more than 60, then what you have to do, and in second also more than 60, then what you have to do. So let's start this addition. Okay, first what you will do, we will see here hour, minute and second is given here. Okay, first you will add the second one. What is given here? 42 second and in second 25 second. So first step what you will do, you will add the second one. So 42 second and 25 second. When you will add 5 plus 2, 7, yes, and 4 plus 2, 6. So how much second it came? 60 second. So 67 second. So you are knowing that 1 minute equal to 60 second. But here it is more than 60 second. How much here? 67 second. So 67 is greater than 60 second. Yes, 67 is greater. So at least here you have to keep 60 only, no? So what you have to do, you have to divide this 67, no? So 60 second plus 7 second. 60 second plus 7 second, that is 67 second. So you are knowing that 60 second equal to 1 minute, yes? 60 second equal to 1 minute. So this you will write 1 minute and plus 7 second, okay? And this 1 minute, 60 second equal to 1 minute. This 1 minute it will move to the minute. That means this 1 minute you will add in this minute. Okay. Now you come to second step. In second step what you will do, what you are seeing here, 30 minute. Yes, minute 1 now you will add. 30 minute and here 53 minute. Yes, 30 minute and 53 minute. So 30 minute plus 53 minute and this minute 60. 1 minute it will move to here plus 1 minute. Okay. Then 3 plus 1 4 and 5 plus 3 8. How much it came? 84 minute. So you are knowing that 1 hour equal to 60 minute. So here minute 84 minute came, means it is a more than 60. Yes, more than 60 minute. 84 is greater than 60 minute. So what you have to do, you have to break this 84. So 60 minute plus 24 minute. Yes, when you will add this one, 24 minute. And this 60 minute equal to 1 hour. Yes, 1 hour it will move to the hour. And this 24 minute. Clear it is? Now next step, what you will do? You will add what? Hour. Last step, what you will do? You will add hour. In hour it is given 5 hour and 7 hour. Yes, 5 hour and 7 hour. So 5 hour plus 7 hour, and this minute it is moved to the hour. No, the 60 minute equal to 1 hour, it moves to the hour. So this one also you will add here. So 7 plus 5, 12 plus 1, 13. So what answer you got? 13 hour. Now finally you will, what you will do? Finally you have to arrange this and you have to show the answer what came in addition. So come, we will arrange this hour, minute and second. Okay? Hour, minute and second. So in hour it is given 5 hour and 7 hour. We have written 5 hour and 7 hour. In minute, 30 minute, 53 minute, 30 minute, 53 minute. And in second it is written 42 second, 25 second, 42 second, 25 second. So this addition beforehand only we have done. So what you have got here? 7 second. So you will write here 7 second. Okay? What you will write here? 7 second. When you have added this minute, what answer you got? 25 minute, 24 minute. So here you will write 24 minute. And when you have added this hour, what you got here? 13 hour. Okay? So what answer came? 13 hour, 24 minute and 7 second. 13 hour, 24 minute and 7 second. So it is clear to you all? So when you will do the addition, what you will do here? First you will, what you will do? You will add the minute one, second one. First you will add the second one, then you will add minute one, and lastly you will add the hour one. And after that you will arrange and you will write the answer. Okay? So once again we will see how we have done this one. What we have done? First we are adding the second one. It is given 42 second and 25 second. When we are adding this, what answer we got? 67 second. What answer we got here? 67 second. So you are knowing that there 60 second is there. So 67 is greater than 60 second. Yes. So you have to break this. What you have done? 60 second plus 7 second. So this 60 second it will move to the 1 minute. In minute you will add this 60 second and 7 second came. So this 7 second only we have written here. Okay. Now we will add the minute one. Minute one is given 30 minute and 53 minute. Yes. When we will add 30 minute and 53 minute, and this 1 minute, it will add to the minute. So when you will add, what answer you are getting? 84 minute. What answer you got? 84 minute. Now again what you are seeing this, 84 is greater than 60. 84 is greater than 60. So what you have to do here? This one again you have to break this 84. So 60 minute plus 24 minute. 60 minute plus 24 minute. And this 60 minute equal to 1 hour. 60 minute equal to 1 hour means this will move to the hour. We have to add this 1 hour in hour. When we will add the hour one, we will add that one. And plus 24 minute, yes. And this 24, when you have added this minute, you will write only 24. Okay. Now lastly, finally you will add what? You will add hour one. When you will add hour, it is given 5 hour and 7 hour. We will add, and this one, it it will 1 hour, it will move to the hour, and that one also will add in hour. What you are getting here? 30 hour. What you are getting? 30 hour. Okay, it is clear? So answer is 13 hour, 24 minute, 7 second. Answer is 13 hour, 24 minute and 7 second. Okay, it is clear to you all? Okay, today this much only. Next day we will learn other thing. Okay, thank you everyone. Have a nice day.